China, you say? Ancient China or present day China?
Both.
Okay, let's go.
Actually, no. We need ancient day China.
Okay.
We
Now-
need to invent chopsticks at that time, so they could go back in time to save the dinosaurs.
Sounds cool. Cash, please. Thank you. So, off we go.
This is money. Dylan!
Don't question it.
Why does it look like on the corner of this building?
I'm gonna rob you.
Don't worry about that. It works.
Are you sure? There's a skateboard here. Are you sure that's not from the last time?
What do you mean last time? It's working. Feel the magic.
Oh, look!
Yeah.
Time travel! Whoa! Time travel! Woo!
It's China. Oh, it's in case you brother. Never used it before. Yes.
Oh my god.
Dear boy.
How do you use this thing?
My God, I think you
Like you were at the monster?
I felt something. Chinese.
Yes, that is Chinese.
For only 99
Hey,
cents.
is this bush Chinese as well?
Everything here you see is Chinese.
Oh, I'm gonna go take a dump.
Alright, dude. I know how to use a gun. Chill. I got the monster.